the knuckle cracking myth.
You may have heard that cracking your knuckles can cause arthritis or other hand problems. But is this widely held belief actually true? Let's look at what modern science has discovered about the effects of knuckle cracking on your joints and overall hand health.
What happens when you crack your knuckles?
The popping sound you hear when you crack your knuckles comes from bubbles forming and bursting in the fluid that lubricates your joints. It's not caused by bones rubbing together or damaging the joint structures, but rather a harmless change in joint pressure.
Does knuckle cracking cause arthritis?
Multiple scientific studies have investigated the link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. The results are clear. There is no evidence that cracking your knuckles causes arthritis or permanent damage to your joints. Health experts agree that this habit does not increase your risk.
Are there any downsides?
While knuckle cracking does not cause arthritis, some studies suggest that frequent cracking may be linked to mild hand swelling or reduced grip strength in rare cases. Serious health risks are extremely rare, but excessive force could potentially cause injury. For most people, however, it's harmless.
The bottom line:
cracking your knuckles is not linked to arthritis or major hand problems, according to scientific research. If you experience pain or discomfort when cracking your knuckles, it's best to consult a healthcare provider. Otherwise, the habit, annoying as it may be to some, remains largely harmless.